Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: How to merge two dictionaries in a single expression in Python. Introduction. In Python, you can merge two dictionaries into a single dictionary using a concise one-liner. This can be handy when you need to combine dictionaries without modifying the original ones. In this tutorial, we'll explore different methods to achieve this task, with a focus on the single expression approach. Method 1, using dictionary comprehension, Python 3.5+. You can use a dictionary comprehension to merge two dictionaries into one. Here's a step-by-step explanation. Output. Explanation. Method 2, using the update method, Python 2 and 3. Another way to merge dictionaries is by using the update method. Here's how you can do it. Output. Explanation. Conclusion. Merging dictionaries in Python is a common task, and you have multiple methods at your disposal. The one-liner using dictionary comprehension is a concise and Pythonic way to achieve this, especially if you are using Python 3.5 or newer. The update method is a more explicit approach and works in both Python 2 and 3. Choose the method that best fits your needs and coding style. ChatGPT.